Decided she's not coming down because it's too windy and it scares her. To be fair, she's got a point, this is extremely windy, but I want to go to the bottom. I want to see what's here. A lot of wind! I made it to the bottom. I didn't count the steps, but apparently there's 400 of them. Lighthouse is closed today, which possibly weather, COVID, who knows, but it is extremely windy. But I'm gonna watch some birds for a bit before I head back the 400 steps, which is this way. So these are the final steps to get down. But wow, very slippy. Thank God there's a handrail. And then, I don't know if you can see them, over there, I think there's a got something, not entirely sure. Birds! Very brave birds! Shall I start counting? 1, 2, 3. 10, 11, 12. I've only done 12, there's 400 of them.